Okay, this is my moringa or kalamunggay or malunggay here in high desert. After trimming or pruning last 2 months ago, I think last 2 months ago. So look at this, guys. Moringa. Dami na. Pwede na magtinola. So mayroon pa rin dito. And ang daming kamote tops. Alright. Also another moringa here. So after pruning also and trimming of this moringa tree, so parang bonsai na moringa. So pwede na. Pwede na rin ihalo sa munggo, ginataang munggo with malunggay.